Get more done. Do you run a website that sells a product, a service, or generates income through affiliate links? If so, internet marketing is a task you must complete. Unfortunately, internet marketing isn't something you can do and be done with. To successfully generate income over time with your website, you need to develop a lasting and long-term internet marketing plan. When creating an internet marketing plan, there are many questions you need to answer. First, start with the large ones. These include how you want to market your website, products, or services. If you are new to internet marketing, research your options. You will find they are unlimited. Once you have developed a plan of action, such as buying advertisements, using article directories, link exchanges, and so forth, there is another important question you need to answer. When should you work as an internet marketer? What should your work schedule hours be? Before outlining ways for you to carefully choose your work hours, know that you may not have a say in the matter. Internet marketing and making money online can be a full-time job, but not everyone uses it as such. If you work part-time, your hands may be tied, in terms of flexibility. However, if you are a full-time home-based worker, please continue reading on for helpful tips. Work when you work the best. We all have grooves that we get into. These are times when we work the best, when we come up with the best ideas, or when we are the most productive. Some are early birds, rising and ready to work before the sun is even up. Others are night owls, working into the early morning hours. What type of person are you? Choose to work when you produce the best results. Work when you have few interruptions. Are you a parent? Can you work when the kids are not home? If your children attend school, work during the day. If your children are home on vacation, there are benefits to readjusting your hours to late nights or early mornings. When you limit or eliminate your interruptions, you can work continuously. Work when you have few distractions. Unfortunately, interruptions can't always be eliminated as a problem, especially if you are a parent. You can, however, eliminate distractions. Do you have a favorite television show that you watch weekly, or do you have houseguests every Tuesday night? If so, now is not the time to work. Readjust your schedule, even if just for one day a week, so that you can work without distractions. When choosing what hours to work on internet marketing, many run into a common problem. That problem is not having enough hours in the day. That is why it is important to create a schedule. You cannot be expected to market your website 100 different ways in one day, so spread the tasks throughout the week or month. And, in dire times, hire a professional to outsource your work to. Freelance web content writers and graphic designers can help you market your website for an affordable fee. As previously stated, you may not have the luxury of choosing your hours to work on internet marketing. If that's the case, take any time that you can get. Remember, the more you market your product, service, or affiliate links, the more income you will generate. If you want to check out my website to learn more about creating an online business, look here. https://computerprofitpathway.work